Before you buy any blender for crushing ice, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most can't actually handle real ice without sounding like a jet engine or leaving chunks behind. But the ones that do, they're built completely different. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 that actually work. Product number 1, Ninja BL610 Professional. First up, the Ninja BL610. This thing's been a bestseller for years, and for good reason. It's got 1,000 watts of power and that total crushing technology with stacked blades that basically pulverize ice into snow in seconds. If you want strong performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 72-ounce pitcher means you can make big batches for the whole family, and it's surprisingly lightweight for how powerful it is. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those stacked blades, combined with the vortex design, pull ice down fast, so you don't end up with half-crushed cubes floating on top. It's not just strong, it's smart about how it blends. Now, some people complained about the plastic pitcher feeling flimsy. Here's the thing though, it's BPA-free and dishwasher safe, and honestly, unless you drop it constantly, it holds up fine. Plus, at $101, you're getting pro-level ice crushing without the premium price. This is perfect for you if you want reliable power for daily smoothies and frozen drinks. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation. It's loud when crushing ice. But for the price and performance, solid value. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Power Elite. Now, if the Ninja's plastic build bothered you, this Hamilton Beach model comes with a solid glass jar, and it's under $62. That's wild! The 700-watt motor might seem weaker on paper, but the patented wave action system forces ingredients down into the Ice Saber blades, so ice gets crushed evenly without you having to stop and stir. If you want durability and smooth results on a budget, this is a smart pick. The 40-ounce capacity is smaller, so it's better for 1 to 2 people, but the glass jar gives it a premium feel you don't usually get at this price. Here's why this matters. Glass doesn't scratch or hold odors like plastic, and it won't warp over time. Plus, the spout makes pouring mess-free, which sounds small but saves cleanup. Now, some people said it struggles with thick smoothies if overloaded. Here's the thing though, just don't fill it past the max line and it crushes ice like a champ. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, no-nonsense blender that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need to make large batches. Go bigger if you're feeding a family. But for singles or couples, great value. Product number 3, Black Plus Decker Power Crush. All right, that was a solid budget option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday use. The Black Plus Decker Power Crush. It's got a 700-watt motor, but the Quad Pro 4-tip blade design creates a vortex that pulls ice straight into the blades, so you get faster, smoother crushing without chunks. If you want quiet, consistent performance in a compact design, this one's underrated. The 6-cup glass jar is thick and sturdy, and the molded pour spout actually works, no drips. Here's why this matters. The blade-to-jar shape is engineered so ingredients don't get stuck in the corners, which means less scraping and reblending. It's not the most powerful, but for daily ice crushing, it's more than enough. Now, some people complained the motor gets warm during long blends. Here's the thing though, that's normal for continuous use, and it has thermal protection, so it won't burn out. Just give it a break between big batches. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, low-maintenance blender that won't take up counter space. Skip this one if you're making nut butters or thick doughs. It's not built for that. But for smoothies and frozen drinks, quiet, efficient, and affordable. Product number 4, Ninja BN701 Professional Plus. Now, if you're serious about blending and want the best of the best, the Ninja BN701 steps it up with 1,400 peak watts and Auto IQ technology. This isn't just stronger, it's smarter. The preset programs automatically pulse, blend, and pause to perfectly crush ice, make smoothies, or even churn ice cream. If you want hands-free, consistent results every time, this is the one.
The 72-ounce pitcher is massive, and the total crushing blades turn ice into powder in under 10 seconds. Here's why this matters. Auto IQ removes guesswork. You don't have to guess the right speed or time, just press frozen drink and walk away. It's like having a bartender in your kitchen. Now, some people said it's bulky and heavy. Here's the thing though, that's because it's built like a tank. If you've got the counter space, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you entertain often or want restaurant-quality drinks at home. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's over $125. But for power, precision, and ease, it's the top-tier choice.
Product number 5, H2K 25,000 RPM blender. Finally, the H2K blender. This one surprised me. For under $76, it packs a 1,400-watt motor that hits 25,000 RPM and comes with self-cleaning, a 64-ounce BPA-free pitcher, and pulse control. If you want high-speed performance with modern features at a mid-range price, this is a sleeper hit. The 6-edge stainless steel blades and Vortex tech crush ice faster than most blenders twice its price. Here's why this matters. The self-cleaning function means you just add water and a drop of soap, pulse it, and rinse. No disassembling blades or scrubbing gunk out of corners. It's the little things that make daily use actually enjoyable. Now, some people said the brand isn't as well known and customer service can be slow. Here's the thing though, for the performance and features, it's still a steal. Just register your warranty and keep the receipt. This is perfect for you if you want premium features without the premium price tag. Skip this one if brand reputation is a deal breaker for you. But if you care about function over flashy logos, this one delivers.
So which one should you get? If you want pro power on a budget, go Ninja BL610. Need durability and quiet blending? Hamilton Beach or Black & Decker. Want the best of everything? Ninja BN701. And if you want high-end features for less, the H2K is a hidden gem. All 5 crush ice, really crush it, but each fits a different need. Pick the one that matches your kitchen, your budget, and how you actually use it.